Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Mark and I'm here with a quick video showing you how to replace a laptop keyboard. We're going to do this nice and quick. It's a simple process. It doesn't require any special tools other than a number 8 Phillips screwdriver and a small pry tool. This is a metal spudger, but you could use a plastic pry tool, a guitar pick, something of that description. You're also going to require a replacement keyboard. I ordered this one on eBay for $30 shipped. Okay, so there you have it. Now this particular model is a HP G62. We're going to want to make sure that there's no power to the device, and we're also going to want to remove the battery to avoid causing any damage. Now we're going to want to identify at the base of the laptop there are screws securing the keyboard in place, so we're looking for stamps in the plastic, and the stamp should look like a keyboard symbol. You'll note here that I have 3 on the base cover. This one here we're going to have to remove the memory cover in order to access, and there's also 3 of them hidden in the battery compartment. So all told we have 6 screws to remove, and we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, our screws have been removed. We can turn the laptop over, lift the LCD panel up, and there's our keyboard. Now, typically, the keyboards will be held in place by some plastic key tabs along the edges. So, by pressing, obviously the power's off here, but by pressing down keys and working your way around the keyboard, you should be able to see these plastic key tabs that are holding them across the top and down the sides. So for this particular model, what we need to do is take our pry tool and insert it alongside one of the edge key tabs and just pry the keyboard slightly in order to raise the middle of it, and I can slide my fingers underneath it now and just grab hold of it and lightly, really gently pull up on it until all the key tabs release along the edges. Now you want to be careful at the bottom here because the tabs are a bit longer and they extend into the bezel. So at this point, now that the keyboard has been released from the key tabs all around, we're going to want to slide the keyboard forward gently. Okay, and you'll note the key tabs that I mentioned earlier. And we're going to lean the keyboard up against the LCD panel in order to expose the ribbon cable that extends from the keyboard and attaches it to the motherboard. Now, as we look on the motherboard, the ribbon cable is secured in place by a ZIF connector, a zero insertion force. Typically these connectors have a small brown latch. Okay, I'll try and this is the latch here. Okay, so all we need to do is take our prying tool and very lightly, okay, always be very gentle when you're doing this because you don't want to break the ZIF connector. Just gently pry up on the brown tab. It flips open, the ribbon cable has been released, and you can now remove the keyboard. Now, of course, the process is the same, although in reverse. So we'll take our new keyboard, slide it into place, extend the ribbon cable out, make sure that our ribbon cable is fully inserted into the ZIF connector, and we'll press down the latch so it's secured in place. We can now slide it down, aligning the slots, and work our way around the keyboard, making sure that the key tabs are locking and securing the keyboard in place. The reason we do this obviously is because we don't want any bulging or sagging in the keyboard. We don't want that cushiony soft bouncing when we're typing. So we're making sure here that it's fully secured all the way around the edges. We can close the laptop lid and simply turn our laptop over and and reinsert the battery. And there you have it, folks. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, please subscribe.